Creating group norms is an excellent way to make sure that the students in the groups participate in a way that's productive and respectful of each other. In this slide, we have an example of norms that can be used. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the text of those norms, and I'm going to use a breakout board and a container to set up those norms. So first I want to create a breakout board for each group. So I'm going to create a breakout board for group one, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to join it. And now I'm going to add a container. The container is located in this shapes icon. It's this thing right here. So I can just drag that out and I can type group norms in the container. I'm going to give it a little bit more of a playful font. And now I can add text. Now it doesn't actually have text here, so I need to use the text tool to add the text. So I'm going to drag this out. And I'm going to paste in the norms. As you can see, it's not formatted maybe the way I want it to be. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to format it the way I want. And I may need to resize the container or the text to make sure that everything fits. So I'm just going to resize the container. Once the text is in the container, if you move the container, it's going to move the text with it. So I have the text in the container. I have the container set up. Now all my students, as they enter the groups, will be able to see the group norms. Now I've got this group set up, and what's really neat is that I can just duplicate, and I don't need to re-add the norms. They're already there. So I'm going to just rename this group 2, and I'm just going to go until you can see. If I join this board, the group norms are there already. And if I go back to group 1, the norms will be in group 1 as well.